Good morning students, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will teach you all the new chapter that is the enemy from we start. In this chapter, as you all know, whenever I start to teach any chapter, first I tell you all the summary of that chapter. In this way, first I will tell you all what is the summary of this chapter. Okay, then I will teach you all according to the paragraph wise. So first of all, let me tell you what is the summary of this chapter. First, I want to tell you the background of this story. This story is written. Yeah, the story is written uh, during the Second World War. Yeah, the whole story of this chapter tells us about the condition of during Second World War that was fought from 1939 to 1945. And during those days, America and Japan were both arch-rival for each other. And in this story we find there is a prisoner. In this story we find there is a prisoner, and that is an American prisoner. That is an American prisoner, and he escaped from the jail. And he is washed off and he is washed off and he comes at the doorstep of a doctor, of a Japanese doctor. He is a surgeon, and the name of the Japanese doctor, that is Sadao. Actually, Sadao and his wife Hana both completed their education in America, and now they are living in their own country, that is Japan. But suddenly one day, what happens? They find they find an American prisoner, and he is unconscious. So he is a doctor, so he decides to treat him. But starting time, he does not want to treat him, but later his mood has been changed, and he decides to treat him. And for this, both, it means wife and husband, both carry the prisoner to their house. And when they carry the prisoner to the house, all the servants of the house, they are very feared. They are not ready to do any work there. So they decide to leave the house of their master. Actually, they make their master understand, but master, he is not ready to understand. He is not ready to leave. He to leave the prisoner. So he starts doing treatment. He starts his treatment, and for a few days, all the servants leave the house of doctor. And in this way, now doctor and Hana only both are at their home. And I want to tell you that there if this is a very long chapter. And you can separate this chapter into two parts. In the first part, we find there is a conversation between husband and wife on the talk of American prisoner. And in the second part, we find there is a conversation between Dr. Sadao and the general of Japan. So I am telling you all the first part of this story first of all. Then I will tell you what is the second part of this story. In the first part, I told you all till here that all the servants leave the house of their master because they are not ready. They are not ready to serve the American prisoners, to serve an American wounded person. So they decide to leave the house of master. But doctor is a doctor, and so he does not want to leave the prisoner without treatment. So he starts his treatment, and first of all, he operates him, and he extracts, he puts out the bullet from his body. That is that is near his kidney, and in this way for 2 or 3 days he is unconscious, but after then he takes conscious, and later he the prisoner tells him his name. Actually, doctor and his wife Hana both are not very comfortable. They are very unhappy on their on this work. But even then, doctor is ready to treat to operate him, and doctor saves him, and ultimately doctor saves him. In this way, in the first part we see, in the first part we see, and Doctor Sadao and Hana. I want to tell you something more about both characters. Dr. Sadao and Hana both completed their education in America, and Dr. Sadao's father was a patriotic Japanese person, Japanese, and he in this story we find he did not like that his son he does not like that his son gets married any other country's girl. So in this way, Dr. Sadao, when first time he meets Hana in America, so first of all he falls in love, but. But for few days he does not understand that she is Japanese or American. So when he knows she is Japanese, so he is ready. He is ready to get marriage with her. Ultimately, they get marriage her. In this way, now they are both are living in Japan. In the first part, we find we in the first part we find that. Dr. Sadao operates him and he saves him, and he saves. And after then in the second part we find a servant comes to the Sadao's house, and he informs Dr. Sadao that the general the condition the health of general is very critical. So he goes to general. So he goes to visit general. It means doctor goes to visit general, and when he goes to visit general, Dr. Sadao tells him general about the prisoner. During that time, the condition of general is not very good. So general promises Dr. Sadao that he will send few killer, you can say. So he will send few killers, and general advises Dr. Sadao open the door during the night time, don't close the door, no? And when he because today's night all the killers will go to your home to kill that American prisoner, and in this way naturally he will die and no one will doubt you. In this way Dr. Sadao is ready, because Dr. Sadao also does not like that he should be alive. So he is ready and he returns from the house of general, and the whole night he does not sleep properly. Only he is waiting that killers will come and they will kill the prisoner. But on the first day they did not come. Again on the second day he waits, but again the same thing happens on the second day. In this way only he waits the killer on third day. But third day when they are when they did not come on the third day, so he decides to plan something different. For this he arranges means Dr. Sadao arranges a boat. Dr. Sadao arranges a boat, and he puts few foods or some fundamental things for life in the boat. And after putting all these domestic things, you can say, in the boat for few days, he advises the prisoner as soon as possible, please leave my house, because it's very risky for us too. In this way, on fourth night, the prisoner leaves the house of Dr. Sadao, and he goes away from there. And in this way, and after then, Dr. Sadao goes to the general, and the condition of the general is very critical. Even general also forgets what he promises, what he promised to Dr. Sadao. In this way, in So in this way, ultimately the prisoner is saved by Dr. Sadao. Here we find anyone, can you ask what is the theme of this summary, yeah, of this chapter? So you can say for a doctor, only patient is patient. He is not doctor does not consider that the patient is from his army side, the patient is from his enemy side or his own side. In this way, this is the profession, this is the culmination, this means this is the zenith of profession, especially for doctor. So in this way, the story is very long. I think it will take near about 10 or 15 lectures to complete to cover all the chapters. But slowly and slowly, I will record the video and I will upload on YouTube. So I hope you all understood what is the summary of this story. So in this way, I complete this summary. I stops here. This one is the PDF form of summary of this chapter, and in this PDF I also added few question answers. This one is the question answer. In the last time I discussed about the question answer of this chapter. In this way I stops here. Okay, thanks.